Acorn squash might look unassuming in your grocery store, but this little winter squash is packed with nutrients. Let's dig into its benefits, nutrition, and a few side effects to watch out for. Nutritional profile. A single cup of cooked acorn squash delivers a solid dose of fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins, all for under 100 calories. It's naturally low in fat and contains no cholesterol, making it a smart addition to almost any diet. The complex carbohydrates in acorn squash also provide steady, lasting energy instead of a quick sugar spike. Rich in antioxidants. Acorn squash is loaded with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radical damage is linked to aging and chronic disease, so regularly eating antioxidant-rich foods like this squash may help protect your cells over time. Supports heart health. The potassium and fiber found in acorn squash work together to support a healthy heart. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out sodium levels, while soluble fiber can help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. Together, these nutrients make acorn squash a heart-friendly food choice. Boosts immune function. Thanks to its impressive vitamin C content, acorn squash gives your immune system a helpful boost. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and keeping you healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Aids digestion. With around 9 grams of fiber per cup, acorn squash is excellent for digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promotes regularity, and feeds the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to better digestion, immunity, and even mood. Supports healthy vision. The beta-carotene in acorn squash converts to vitamin A in the body, a nutrient crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight. Regular intake of vitamin A-rich foods may help protect against age-related vision decline and support overall eye health. May help regulate blood sugar. Despite being a starchy vegetable, acorn squash has a relatively low glycemic impact when eaten in moderation, thanks to its fiber content. Fiber slows down sugar absorption into the bloodstream, which can help prevent sharp blood sugar spikes, making it a reasonably safe choice for people managing blood sugar levels. Possible side effects. While acorn squash is generally safe for most people, it can cause bloating or gas in individuals sensitive to high-fiber foods. Its natural sugars also mean people with diabetes should watch portion sizes carefully. In rare cases, some people may experience an allergic reaction, so it's always wise to introduce any new food gradually. That wraps up everything you need to know about acorn squash. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health content, and drop a comment with what topic you want covered next. Thanks for watching.